tremendous passage of Scripture. Mark the spot where it happened. Follow the ark. That's always good advice. Follow the ark. Follow Yahweh's Torah. In the 6th chapter, verse 15. And it came to pass on the 7th day that they rose early at the dawning. Well, then you have here in the 5th chapter the circumcision of Israel. It looks to me almost as though this was begun on the 10th day of the first month. They had not circumcised the children of Israel in the wilderness, but now the young Israel had to be circumcised before the Passover. And then you can see here in the latter part of the chapter, I even include this as the selection of the lamb. And it's verse 13. And it came to pass when Joshua was by Jericho that he lifted up his eyes and looked, and behold, there stood a man opposite him with his sword drawn in his hand. Joshua went to him and said to him, Are you for us or for our adversaries? He said, Neither, but as the Tsar, the prince.
You're listening to radio station WMLK, broadcasting from Bethel, Pennsylvania, United States of America. Please stay tuned.
Behold, there stood a man opposite him with his sword drawn in his hand. Joshua went to him and said to him, Are you for us or for our adversaries? He said, Neither, but as the Tsar, the prince of the host of Yahweh, have I now come. Who is this? This is the second Yahweh. This is the one that eventually became Yahshua the Messiah. Joshua fell on his face to the earth and worshiped, and said to him, What does my superior say to his servant? And the prince of Yahweh's host said to Joshua, Put off your shoes from off your foot, for the place on which you stand is holy. And Joshua did so. Exactly what he told Moses in Exodus chapter 3, verse 5. Now the conquest of Jericho was done in unity. It was easy now